Good evening. My name is Luis, the in-flight manager for your flight today. It's my pleasure to welcome you on board today. A special welcome to those of you returning from our executive club and those of you joining us from our One World Alliance partners. I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, the use of electronic cigarettes and vaping is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets which are fitted with smoke detectors. We're about to start our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergens for today's flight, please contact any member of the crew. For those of you seated in Club Europe, we'll be offering you a choice of meal and drinks from the bar. In Euro Traveller, we'll be offering you a complimentary bottle of water and a snack. This then will be followed by our Speedbird Cafe service. Pre-purchased items will be served first, followed by onboard purchases. If you would like to purchase from a selection of Speedbird Cafe items on today's flight, please connect to VA Wi-Fi and visit shop.vi.com.